What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got kind of a fun little video. Don't really know how it's going to turn out, but we are going to need to grab the tractor. So let's go do that. Oh yeah, the good old LS. Let's see if she'll fire up for us. I haven't started it in probably 4 days. Alright. I can feel my butt getting wet already from this awesome seat. Alright. A little bit of throttle. Yeah. All right, guys, so what we're doing today is we're going to be super cleaning the new LS tractor. So we just want to take a look over here. This is what we're working with to start with. Thing's pretty dirty. Which, yeah, I know it's a tractor and it's going to get dirty, but we just got it and it would be nice just to have it look nice and then us make it dirty, if that makes any sense. So it could use a little cleanup, but I'm excited to use these Super Clean products to try and help us get this cleaned up. This video is not sponsored by Super Clean, but they did send this out to the channel for us to give it a shot and just see how it would work. So we're going to try it out, and then I'll tell you guys what I think about it. So let's get into it. Alright, guys, this was just a little Super Clean and water and a rag, and look at the difference. This thing looks brand new. So we still got to do the loader and the back fenders, as you can see. We've still got a lot of work to do, but this Super Clean is working pretty well. All right, now we are going to focus on the wheels. So we've got this Super Clean all-wheel cleaner, which we're going to try on the F250 as well, because those wheels are really terrible from brake dust. But we will see if it works on this.
Give them a whirl then.
See if this thing cleaned up, or we're going to need to spray it again. Yeah, I don't like the way it looks. We're going to need to spray this one again with the good stuff. Oh yeah, that's much better. So, a little tip, definitely use the wheel cleaner on wheels. For some reason, the degreaser didn't take off what was on the wheels, but the wheel cleaner, as you guys saw, took it right off. So that is really cool. So now all we have left to do is a little bit of the frame and these back fenders, and it'll be ready for a coat of wax, which I don't know if we'll do in this video or not, but we definitely need to do that soon. So, all right guys, so minus a coat of wax, this is the final result after using the Super Clean products to get this old tractor cleaned up. I mean, look at this thing. It looks so much better than it did before. Now, I know it's not perfect, you know, the machine has got some use on it and whatnot, but I mean, this thing is looking really, really good. Almost looks like a new machine if you look at it just the right way. Those wheels came out good. I'm really happy with that. That looks so much better. So yeah, I just want to give a huge shout out to Super Clean Products for sending these products out for us to use and give it a try on the channel, see how they work. Now, I'm not paid by them at all. They simply just reached out and said, hey, we want to send these products over to you and you tell us what you think. So this is what I think. I mean, the wheel cleaner is amazing. I thought the degreaser would take the grease off the wheels, but it did a little bit, but not the best. But man, I hit it with that wheel cleaner and I mean, look at that. That thing looks brand new. Just wheel cleaner, wipe it off, that's it, and then a rinse. But yeah, I mean, overall, the Super Clean products they've been working really well, and I'm really happy with the way this thing looks. I'm gonna jump over to the F250 real quick and see if I can clean those front wheels and see what they, see how the brake, or see how the wheel cleaner does on those. So let me get this thing moved out of the way, and we'll go on with that. All right, guys, this is just a little bonus clip. I really want to see how this Super Clean wheel cleaner works on these wheels. These are very dirty with brake dust, so I want to get these things cleaned up. There we go. Now I'm zoomed out of some. So let's go ahead and spray this all over. I wonder if I can just spray this off or if I'm actually gonna have to wipe it off. But we'll put it on thick up top so it drips down. I'm gonna go ahead and try and spray it and see what happens. I don't think it's gonna come off, but we'll try it. Wow, it actually is taking some off. Let me get a little higher pressure here. Wow, it actually is taking it off with the hose, which is pretty insane. All right, well, let's do another coat. I'll go and soak up the other side, and we'll do this again. All right, guys, as you can see, the wheel is clean. Now, I will say, Super Clean, it works really good. So it's not quite a spray it on, let it sit, and then hose it down. You still need to wipe the wheel. But I mean, I've cleaned a lot of wheels in my days, and this was by far probably one of the easiest ways to get the brake dust off. Normally you're scrubbing at it really hard. This stuff, you let it sit there. I rinsed it, and then I just took my rag and I just wiped and rinsed one more time, and it literally came all off. So I went and I did all the wheels because I couldn't just do the fronts. But they came out really, really good. Whoa, I almost fell. You guys would have caught that on camera. So I did all the wheels. And all thanks to this guy right here. Which this thing's almost empty now between the tractor and the truck, but man, does it make a big difference. So that's all I got for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me get the tractor super cleaned with the Super Clean products. And if you guys like anything you see in the video, be sure to check out Super Clean because they really do make a pretty good product. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. We've got a lot of content coming with the F250 and with the LS tractor over there. So if you're excited for those videos coming up, then stick around and we will see you guys in the next video.